Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox a small scale model of Mahindra Thar. So let's check it out. To start, please subscribe to my channel. This is our scale model. Much more smaller than the previous Thar. This is dark green in color. Car has two openable front doors. It has an extra wheel, a left-hand drive interior, and a tough, sporty look, like our old Thar. This car has pullback action feature. What would you choose? This Defender or this Thar? Looks cute in our hand. So if you want to purchase this, I will give the product link in the description of this video. And be ready for adventure. If you like my video, please click on the like button. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. So till our next video, bye.